Learning new details as 2 of the 9 suspects in a Madison County daycare abuse investigation appeared in court. Trinity Huff and Abigail Greer worked at a Step Ahead daycare. Huff is charged with child abuse. Greer is charged with child endangerment. WKYT's Lucy Cole joins us live outside of the courthouse. Lucy, what did detectives testify about during today's hearing?
Well, Victor, detectives did give us a lot of new information today in both Huff and Greer's cases, giving us just a little bit more insight in this entire thing. Let's first start with Abigail Greer. Detective Tyler Short was in the courtroom today, and he reported that a manager at the Kids Club daycare where she works came to police stating that Greer had repeatedly dropped a marijuana pen 4 different times during her time of employment there. The 4th time that Greer dropped this marijuana pen, that the manager told police that an infant got a hold of the pen as Greer did not know that she dropped it. That manager was unsure whether or not the infant ingested any of the contents of the pen. Greer was fired after this, but rehired 2 weeks later. Detective Short said he had not seen video evidence of any of this and only had reports of this incident from that manager. This case was sent to the grand jury. Moving on to Trinity Huff, a director of the daycare. Detective Short testified that Huff came to police back in March with a video she had been sent by the owners of the Kids Club daycare. In that video, one employee was seen restraining and strangling a child. A separate employee came into the room and removed that child after that. In testimony, we learned today that Christian Greer was the person restraining that child. She's also been charged in this case. She's one of the 9. Detective Short recounted another incident where a child escaped and nearly ran into a busy roadway. Police say she provided false information about this incident to the state, but admitted it to police later on. And they say Trinity Huff waited for 2 months before bringing any of this information to police. In that time, parents in the courtroom claim she was sending this information to them, but not reporting on it.
We were all in a group chat that she told us things about each child that she knew about that she did not report because she didn't want to get in trouble, but she wanted to gather as much information that she could and then tell on it so that she could get the owners in trouble and not herself.
And upon Huff's arrest, the judge had stated that she was not allowed to make any contact with children at the time. Now, her defense came to the judge asking for them to allow her to see her aunt's child because she was going to have to move in with her aunt, as that would be the only place that she would be able to live. The judge did grant that motion. This case was sent to the grand jury. For now, in Madison County, Lucy Cole, WKYT.